Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Is your cleaning habits doing more harm than good? Let's bust that biggest myth and level up your cleaning game. Stay tuned.
Cleaning. It's something we all do, or at least something we tell ourselves we'll do eventually. But even the most dedicated cleaners can fall victim to myths that have been passed down like family recipes. Except these don't make your life better. In fact, some of them might be making things worse. Let's get into it. The myths you've been believing that are not just wrong, but downright shocking. And if you're looking for products that actually work, I'll mention some great options you can grab on Amazon. Links in the description if you want to up your cleaning game. Myth 1. Bleach kills mold. It's one of the most common beliefs out there. If you see mold, bleach it and boom, problem solved. But here's the cold, hard truth. Bleach doesn't kill mold at its roots. Sure, it might make the mold disappear for a while, but you're basically giving it a haircut, not removing it entirely. The mold spores can still linger and come back with a vengeance, especially on porous surfaces like wood and drywall. What you really need is a proper mold-killing solution. Instead of bleach, try a highly rated mold remover like RMR 86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover, available on Amazon. This stuff is designed to eliminate mold stains fast and prevent regrowth. Also, for small DIY jobs, plain white vinegar works wonders. Just make sure to spray it generously and let it sit for at least an hour before wiping it off. Myth 2. The more detergent, the better. Laundry detergent commercials have brainwashed us into thinking that a bigger scoop equals cleaner clothes. The truth? Too much detergent can actually make your clothes dirtier over time. Excess detergent leaves behind a soapy residue that traps dirt and bacteria, which can lead to clothes that feel stiff and smell, well, less than fresh. Stick to a high-efficiency, low-suds detergent like Tide Pod's Hygienic Clean, Heavy Duty, or Persil Pro Clean. And if your washing machine is feeling grimy, a cleaner like a fresh washing machine cleaner tablets will help break down that gunky buildup. Myth 3. Dusting is a waste of time. Dusting. The task that feels like an endless cycle of, didn't I just do this yesterday? Some people believe dusting is pointless because dust will just settle right back down. And they're right about one thing: it will come back. But letting dust build up is a huge mistake. Dust is more than just dirt. It's a mix of dead skin cells, pet dander, pollen, and even microscopic bugs. Instead of using an old t-shirt or feather duster, grab a microfiber cleaning cloth set or an O-Cedar microfiber duster. These trap dust instead of spreading it around. Bonus tip: a cordless handheld vacuum can also help clean those hard-to-reach corners. Both are Amazon favorites. Myth 4. Vinegar cleans everything. Vinegar is a cleaning superstar, right? Well, not always. While vinegar is amazing at cutting through grease and limescale, it's not a miracle worker for everything. For instance, it can damage natural stone surfaces like granite or marble. Remedy: for your stone countertops, use a cleaner that's specifically designed for natural stone, like Wyman Granite Cleaner and Polish. It leaves a streak-free shine and doesn't strip the finish. For other surfaces where vinegar works, you can also grab a pre-mixed vinegar and essential oil spray for that extra clean smell. Myth 5. Newspaper is the best for cleaning glass. We've all heard this one. Use newspaper for streak-free windows. And it's true. Kind of. Back in the day, when newspapers were made from sturdier paper, they were an awesome glass cleaner. But modern newspapers? Not so much. Remedy: instead of newspapers, try a high-quality glass cleaning cloth like the E-Cloth Glass and Polishing Pack. These are reusable and leave zero lint behind. And for a streak-free finish, pair it with a reliable glass cleaner like Sprayway Glass Cleaner, which, by the way, smells amazing. Myth 6. Cleaning products work instantly. Another myth we all fall for is expecting instant results. Spray the cleaner, wipe it away, and boom, sparkling surface, right? Wrong. Many cleaning products, especially disinfectants, need time to work their magic. Most disinfectants need to sit on a surface for at least 5 to 10 minutes to kill bacteria and viruses effectively. If you need an all-in-one disinfectant that's fast but effective, try Lysol Disinfectant Spray or Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. They both list their dwell times on the packaging. Stick to it for best results. Myth 7. All disinfectants are created equal. Not all disinfectants are the same. Some are designed for specific jobs, like killing viruses, while others might only target bacteria. When you're choosing a disinfectant, look for one that says EPA registered on the label, like Microban 24-hour disinfectant spray, which is proven to keep killing bacteria for up to 24 hours. Available on Amazon and perfect for high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. Myth 8. Baking soda and vinegar are a miracle mix. This combo is hyped up as the ultimate DIY cleaner, and while it can work for certain things, like clearing minor clogs, it's not the magic solution it's portrayed to be. For drain cleaning, a safer and more effective alternative is Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver. And for scrubbing tough stains, stick with Barkeeper's Friend or a simple baking soda paste, but skip the vinegar combo if you want real results. Myth 9. You can skip vacuuming if you have hardwood floors. Some people think vacuuming is just for carpets, but here's the truth. Vacuuming is crucial even if you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. Remedy. Instead of sweeping, use a hard floor vacuum like the Bissell Crosswave or Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum. Both are lightweight and perfect for picking up the fine dust that brooms can miss. Myth 10. Cleaning is all about making things look good. Let's be honest. We often clean because we want our space to look presentable. But cleaning is about more than appearances. It's about health. To make sure your home is truly clean, focus on sanitizing high-touch areas with disinfectant wipes and use an air purifier like the Levoit Core 300 to reduce airborne allergens. Amazon has some great budget-friendly options that really make a difference. There you have it. Some of the biggest cleaning myths officially busted. It's time to stop wasting time, money, and effort on ineffective habits and start cleaning smarter, not harder. Want to check out any of the products we mentioned? I've linked all of them in the description. Grab what you need and see the difference for yourself. And remember, it's not just about cleaning what you see. It's about creating a healthier, happier space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a cleaning myth reality check. See you next time.